Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and if you're like me, a mom constantly balancing screen time, bedtime, and the endless search for screen-free joys that actually captivate your child, you know how rare it is to find something that truly hits the mark. Today, I'm sharing one of those rare gems, the July 7th Mermaid Terrarium Craft Kit. It's more than just a craft, it's a little world your child gets to build, light up, and call their own. As someone who values creativity and calm in equal measure, I was instantly drawn to how peaceful and imaginative this kit looks. At $23, it's an affordable surprise that promises not just fun, but something lasting. What drew me in wasn't just the sparkle and sea glass. It was the idea of creating something magical together without the stress. So, I decided to pull it out on a quiet afternoon and see if it could live up to the hype. Spoiler? It did, in ways I didn't even expect. Let me tell you, as a mom who's always on the hunt for meaningful yet fun activities to do with my little one, this July 7th Mermaid Terrarium Craft Kit has been an absolute delight. From the moment we opened the box, everything was so thoughtfully laid out. The jar, the glittery sand, soft moss, tiny shells, a cute mermaid figure, and that magical LED light strand that makes the whole thing glow like a dream. I'll admit I was worried it might be too complicated for my 8-year-old, but honestly, she jumped right in. With just a tiny bit of help from me on positioning the light base, she assembled the whole thing in about 25 minutes. It wasn't messy, it didn't require any extra supplies, and most importantly, she felt so proud of what she created. It wasn't just a toy, it was hers, and that made all the difference. What really takes this kit to the next level, though, is how it doubles as a nightlight. My daughter has always been a little nervous of the dark, and as any parent knows, night lights can become a battleground of brightness. Too dim, and it's useless. Too bright, and it ruins sleep. This one, just right. The LED lights inside twinkle softly, casting a gentle glow that's calming without being overwhelming. And here's the best part, the remote control. No more sneaking into her room to turn it off after she's asleep or listening to her call out, "Mom, I can't find the switch." She can change the colors, turn it on or off, even set a 30 or 60-minute timer so it shuts off on its own. It's such a small touch, but as a tired mom, I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. It gives her independence and me a little more peace at bedtime. We've had this terrarium for a few weeks now, and I love watching how it's become a little centerpiece in her room. One day it's glowing pink and purple, the next it's a cool, calming blue. She loves switching it up depending on her mood. What's even cooler is that she's already talked about rearranging the inside. The kit actually encourages that kind of creativity. Nothing is permanently glued down, well, unless you want it to be, so she can refresh the look whenever she wants. It's not a one-and-done craft. It's something she can interact with and make her own over time. That kind of open-ended play is gold in my book. It sparks imagination and keeps the magic alive long after the first assembly. Now, I should be honest, while our mermaid came intact and absolutely adorable, I did hear through the mom grapevine and noticed in a few unboxing videos that some of the figurines, like the unicorn and the similar kits, have come broken in other sets. So, I'd say there's a small risk in handling or shipping, which is worth noting. That said, ours arrived perfectly, and the quality of everything inside feels surprisingly substantial for the price. The jar is thick glass, the light base is sturdy, and even the little decorative pieces have a nice weight to them. Not flimsy at all. For $23, it's such a thoughtful package. It's definitely on my list for birthday gifts now. It's that perfect combo of craft, creativity, and practicality that makes any kid feel special. One of the moments I'll never forget was when my daughter showed it to her dad. Her face just lit up, not just from the glowing lights, but from the pride of saying, "I made this." That's what makes this more than a toy. It's a confidence builder. She followed the steps, made decisions about how to layer the sand and place the ornaments, and saw a vision come to life. As a parent, especially one who values creativity, she actually won an art award at school last year. Watching that spark grow is priceless. I didn't just buy her a night light, I gave her an experience, a memory, and something she can point to and say, I did that. It's moments like those that make motherhood feel truly magical. At the end of the day, if you're looking for a gift that's fun, meaningful, and actually gets used, not just tossed aside after 5 minutes, this terrarium kit checks every box. Whether it's for a birthday, a just because surprise, or even a quiet afternoon project to do together on a rainy day, it's been such a positive addition to our home. It's not trying to be flashy or overly techy, it's simply enchanting in a quiet, heartfelt way. And in a world full of noisy, battery chomping toys, sometimes quiet magic is exactly what our kids need. I'd absolutely buy this again. And I already have my eye on the unicorn version for my niece's next birthday. If this little mermaid terrarium brought joy to our home, just imagine what it could do for yours. Don't let the magic fade. Like this video and subscribe for more heartfelt finds that spark your child's wonder. Let's build a sea of creativity together, one glowing jar at a time.